Hello, welcome to the LinkedIn Makeover and Nurturing video. This is an introduction video. Here I would like to just tell you why exactly we are doing this, as well as I will just run through the basics, preparations, what exactly we need to be ready to do this makeover, right? So let me tell you first initially why exactly we need to do the makeover for this LinkedIn, our profile page. See, if you have a profile page, we have to do the makeover. If you don't have a profile page, then I think we can start fresh with this video. So as I said that this is an introduction video. So here what we need to first understand is today we have social media pages like Facebook and other various social media pages accounts where it is not essential for an employee as such. For employee, the only good platform today we have is LinkedIn, wherein we build our network with the various people around the world in our own fraternity if it is possible, and also to get better opportunities, jobs, and all. I think this is the best platform. For that, we need to see there could be so many situations where we have our pages developed already, and but you must be facing some questions like, why am I not getting properly connected with maximum number of people? Why my network is not growing? Why my branding is not so great? Why am I not getting any jobs? Why I'm not being referenced properly? So all these questions, the answer is that we need to really have a proper professional profile page. For that, we need to do a little bit of a makeover. Makeover means what? We are going to redesign our profile in LinkedIn. So to do that, there is something that we need to really understand what exactly are the steps what we need to follow. So first of all, let me just show you a sample of my profile page, how it looks like, and then you will understand clearly as to how to do this. See, for example, this is my page, profile page, where you can see the header with a profile picture and with a background and a proper header information here. And then what exactly we need to do to configure the open to work, and how exactly we need to write the profile page here, right? See, this is the profile page, about page, right? We need to write appropriately, because see, again, if at all, if you are looking for any business opportunity or getting a job or like that, especially to get a job, there is a this one called as ATS, right? ATS is the applicant tracking system. Generally, in any other job posting this one platforms like Naukri, Monster, Dice, or whatsoever. Whenever we apply for a job, what will happen for a particular role, that employer, that recruiter in that employer, this an organization, he will run through the ATS system, all the profiles. They will get thousands of profiles. And that ATS system will look for specific words, specific verbs, specific technologies, skills, etc., etc., based on the requirement. If that is not there, not matching, then it will not shortlist that. Then we will not get the proper chance to get for the interviews also, right? So that is why we need to really make over this one, profile. Then I have mentioned services. Maybe see here these are all sections: about section, services section, and then features section, so on. Many of the cases it is not required, all are not required, only those which are required that we need to do. I'll run through that one by one. Then coming to the features page, see, this is my features page, right? You have a lot of this one, you can click that and you can enter. I'll explain you the importance of it, how to do that, everything in detail, don't worry about it. Now the next one is activities page, where we'll have posts, comments, and images. And then you have your experience page, which is very important. So you need to understand how to design, how to add the pictures, how to add the articles, testimonials, etc. These are all the experiences. And then the education, right? And then we have license and certifications. Then the projects, if at all. I think, see, many of us, we don't attach the projects. So we need to really write the projects also. See here, this is what it is, various projects, which I have done it, I have mentioned that. Then only the recruiter can easily find out. It will highlight in the recruiter's search engine. Then skills, various skills, whatever we have that we need to mention, right? What are all the skills we have got, the endorsements and everything, it will highlight. And then the next one is recommendations and few awards if you have, and languages what you know, like that. So these are all the various sections. Okay. So this is how we need to do your LinkedIn profile page. Okay, got it? Now let us quickly understand what is that you need to keep ready and what are the things what we are going to do. Okay, hope you understood till now, right? Why exactly we required to do the LinkedIn makeover, right? If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or you can put it in my WhatsApp group. I will explain that clearly, right? And now let us look at the the requirements for the makeover. First, I would like to tell you here is the link, or you can just type in the Google Go Full Page Chrome extension. You will get an option to download that. Just download that extension and install it and keep it ready. This is important. I will tell you why. The reason why I asked you is once after you get it, go to your current LinkedIn page, right? So current LinkedIn page is here, right? Go here and see here. You will get this camera icon here once you install that add-in, whatever this and what is it called as the extension, Chrome extension. So once you get that, you click that. It will take a snapshot of your entire page, current page, what exactly it is. See, it is like this before and after effect. Suppose when we wanted to build our body into a six pack, now mine is family pack, right? So if I need to do that program, that six packs conversion program, how am I looking now? Take a picture. After doing it for 6 months, how am I right now? Take out everything and stand and we'll take the picture, right? So like that, currently, how is your LinkedIn profile page? Take a snapshot. And then once you take the snapshot, go and click the PDF button. It will download the PDF. It will be available for you for your reference. Got it? Simple. Hope you are understanding that. It's very easy. Right. Now let us go back to our this page, the Go Full page. So you have taken that. And now what are the tools what we are going to use? We will be using LinkedIn, obviously. ChatGPT, your favorite, for some keywords and other thing. Canva, a beautiful designer page, you will understand some good designing and other thing we need to do. And Gemini for making over or doing some makeup to your photographs. Suppose you are wearing a gray or the green color dress, you don't like it. So it's not possible to go and again change it and take a picture. In Gemini, we can simply change whatever we want, right? So that is why we'll be using these tools for the final makeover. The requirements, this you need to be a little careful. The requirements before you start is first one, you should have your latest profile resume ready. The second, at least one passport size photograph and another one good photograph of yours, either standing or sitting or side profile or whatever it is. Then the third one is ATS scored resume. What exactly it means? It means I will provide you, see, I have provided you the link, that resumeworded.com. Go there, take a free this one right now and get registered as a free member. Then you load your latest profile and see the score, how it is going to be, right? It will be less initially, I know that. Try to make it not less than 80 to 85%. It has to go beyond 85%, right? In case if you want to beautify your resume, then try this instaresume.io. I will demo all this, don't worry, right? I will demo. But I am telling you, these are the two tools which we'll be using for getting your ATS score better and making your resume also looks better. Then we'll start the makeover. As I said, the makeover will have a lot of sections. The first section is the header section, which will come with the background banner, the photograph, and all other details. And then comes the public profile and URL. And then finally, we'll get into the analytics section. I will tell you that. About section is very important. Then we have to write our top skills section here. Then services section. If at all, if you have any other, like see, I do coaching. So I will write about coaching and other things. So if you have anything else, you can just write down in the services section. This is again very, 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 very important, a featured section. There you should have some short video, some forms, Google Forms. I will show you everything, don't worry, right? And there should be some links to get an appointment with you, to talk to you, and some articles or video thumbnails, etc. All that should be ready, and we have to include all that in the featured section. Then comes the activities section where you need to post. Post will be of either video or text or some pictures, right? And you need to give some comments also for other posts. So those things we'll discuss, and I'll train you, I'll coach you on how to do that and how to enter all these details in the activities section. Experience section, I need not tell. We need to write all the details. Again, we have to use the tools. Whatever your current decision is there, forget it. We'll use all the tools to make over that. Then the education section, then licenses certification section, project section, skills section, recommendation section. You need to ask recommendation, you should give the recommendation, right? And your awards and honors, if at all, if you have anything, languages to know, right? And any other interest sections, whatever you have. If you want, you can add. How to do that customization, I'll tell you. So now after doing all this, your profile on LinkedIn is ready. Now what is next? We need to start taking our action on getting jobs or on getting business or getting more connects to your profile. So all that needs to happen. So get the LinkedIn profile ranked by ATS. Before we go there, the way how we have done our profile ranked by the ATS software, similarly we need to do for LinkedIn also. Resume Worded has that, both options, resume ranking and your LinkedIn page ranking also. LinkedIn page ranking can be 80% minimum, but resume should be 85 to 90% is advised. Okay, it is very important. Now we have completed all our required prerequisites for starting our mission. That is, we have to nurture now. How to do that? We have to do at least twice a week. We have to put our posts, either text or PDF or videos or images. And then the second one is we need to talk daily connect with recruiters. How to do that? I'll show you. Simple techniques. You have to daily connect to new recruiters, not the old recruiters. Today you have to connect to someone. Tomorrow someone else. Day after tomorrow someone else. All that I'll explain. Third one, daily respond to top posts and comment some good and interested posts, whatever you need to do that, so that the recruiters, when they want a particular profile or when they see you, they will see your first profile in the LinkedIn and they will see how much interested you are. Besides your skills, experience, blah, 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 how much social you are. They need to really know. So you need to be social. Social means how? You need to build your activity on the portal. How to do that? Do it in the professional and right way. Like you also should reciprocate, right? With other people, how it is good, bad, this is what my opinion is, thumbs up, all that. Then apply for suitable jobs. Jobs also will be open. It is available in LinkedIn, that we need to look at it and we need to apply. I'll show you some techniques over there also. Then at least once we connect to the recruiters, have at least minimum give 2 to 3 weeks gap before you start communicating to them. Hey, is there any opportunities, open positions for my role? I am ready. Like that, you should start. How that, see, it is like this. You have introduced your friend to me. No sooner you introduce, within 10 minutes, Sridhar, can you just lend me around 15,000 or 20,000 rupees? If he asks what will be the, just imagine what will be the case. If that is the case, if he has built a rapport with me for some days, say some weeks or whatever it is, I know him very well. He's a trusted guy. I like him. Then, hey, Sridhar, I am in need of some 15, 20,000. No problem. Tell me your number. That is what will happen here also. You should first nurture, talk to the recruiter, and then you should connect with him and then start building that rapport. And then you can ask, hey, is there any role? I'm this. I saw in your company's this one there are some roles, and you are the recruiter, right? Come on, let us build that. And there is a way how to do that. I'll explain you all that to this. So by doing this, 3, 4 steps, prepare your resume, get the ATS score, open your LinkedIn page, make over that. Again, test the LinkedIn page by the ATS system, and finally do the nurturing. These are the steps for you to succeed happily and professionally using LinkedIn. Hope guys you understood the introduction as well as all the necessary things. By this I end, and we'll catch you in our next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.